Timu ya Mbeu Njĩthĩ ya Harambee Stars riu ni ya gatatu thini wa Group C mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia COSAFA iria irathiĩ na mbere bũrũri-inĩ wa South Africa na marĩ na pointi ithathatũ thutha wa kũgũtha timu ya Zimbabwe na mbao 2-0 mĩaraho ya ũmũthĩ. Ona kũrĩ ũguo imwana icio cia Ken Odhiambo megweterera nginyagia mũthenya wa rũciũ kũmenya kana nĩ mekũingĩra ikereka rĩa semi-finals wona mũhotani gatagatĩ ka Angola na Lesotho amenyekana pointi iria gũkorwo nacio. Ngucanio ici iria irĩ na ikundi ithatũ no timu ĩmwe tu harĩ gĩkundi ĩraingĩra gĩkĩro-inĩ gĩa semi-finals gũkũ Kenya ĩgĩtanya kũingĩra gĩkĩro-inĩ kĩu gĩa timu namba 1 harĩ iria hote.
Benson Ochieng. Ochieng is through on goal. That's number 2 for Kenya. That's the goal that might send them through to the COSAFA Cup semi-finals for the very first time in their history. At the back for Zimbabwe. Oh, it looks like Benson Ochieng did get the meaningful and final touch. Just got there ahead of Muriwa.
A very difficult first half because of the wind. The wind was going against us, so we were finding it tough to pass the through balls to our striker. Then coming into second half, we knew the wind is going on our side, so we had to push so that we can get the 2 goals.
We were not stringing, our passes were not done well. And then the other thing, we lacked a leader. In the first half, we were like everybody was quiet, and then we had a chat at half time, and then we told them we need to be leaders, all of us. We need to talk, and then it should be positive talk, not just talking. So that is, I think, is the other thing that worked for us in the second half.
And that is the first goal that Zimbabwe